it when it's loud. I love it when it's big. You can feel it in the crowd. Come on, bang them sticks.
En 1871, lors d'un recensement canadien, on dénombre 1115 Juifs au Canada, dont 409 sont originaires d'Europe. Dans le quartier juif de Montréal, on dénombre 63 898 Juifs en 1941.
Lors de notre visite à Montréal, nous avons eu la chance d'interroger une mère juive qui s'est installée dans la métropole à l'âge de 7 ans avec ses parents.
And where are your synagogue? Is that the...
No, I don't have a synagogue.
You don't have a synagogue? Okay, so what do you pray or something like that?
I don't know, my husband goes to synagogue here.
Okay, there's one right here. Okay. According to your, where do you take the clothing?
The store.
Okay.
It says organic. Organic kosher.
Okay.
It's right here in the middle. Okay. In the street here.
When did you come here?
I lived in Montreal when I was 7.
7?
And then I moved away.
Okay.
I've been back 2 years ago.
Came back 2 years ago? Okay. What do you think you give to the next generation?
Not like other people. I want my son to grow up and to know the world.
Okay.
Not just know about Jews.
Okay, you want me
To know everything. He knows computer, he knows everything about
Okay.
computer.
Do you have a kid?
He has 2 kids.
You have 2 kids. How old are you?
3 and a half and
3 and a half and 2. Why did you came into that?
2. We came here because we came to help a friend here and we got stuck.
Okay, you got a friend here? Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
Puis après plusieurs refus, nous avons réussi à interroger un jeune homme juif dans la trentaine.
Your friend came here or you are the one who came here?
No, my parents, my grandparents are over here too.
Okay, when did you come here?
They?
Yeah.
For 50 years.
50 years? Alright. And like, do you pray at home or do you have like
The synagogue just in there.
right there?
Yeah.
Just here?
Yeah.
Okay. And what heritage do you think you give to the next generation?
What?
What heritage do you think you give to the next generation?
Heritage?
Yeah. Like, what do you think you give to the next generation? Like, do you have kids or do you
If
have
I'm planning to have kids or what?
like
What am I
if you
planning
had
to
a
teach
kid,
them?
Like, yeah, what do you want to teach them?
Well, I want them to know what their purpose in life is and why they're living and try to
Okay.
make the most out of it.
Okay, and is there like sports or like activities that are organized right here?
Sports, yeah, hockey.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Yes.
And why your family came in Quebec? Or like just in Quebec, why not like in Canada or like
I don't
You
know
don't know?
if there's any reason.
okay, just this.
Could be just randomly.
Okay, and process right now, the first prime minister and
The what?
the prime minister, the minister, like
The prime minister?
Yeah, that's what it's like.
Oh, I'm not really into politics in Canada. In the US, I know a little bit more, but over
Okay,
here, I
but
really don't know
Are you voting?
politics.
You're not gonna vote?
I'm not gonna vote.
Okay, but you know.
I know who the prime minister is, but I don't know any politics very much in Canada.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Excuse me, sir. Can we film you? No? Okay. Can I ask you a quick question? On your project. No? Okay.
He's not speaking English or French. He's parling hébreu. Or the other Yiddish. C'est vrai que ça ressemble.
Excuse me. Can I ask you a couple questions? It's going to film you or recording you? I don't know. Yeah? No, he's coming with you. Can you or not? You can? Okay, thank you. Can I ask you a couple questions for this one? No? Okay, thank you.
Change de trottoir! Il vient de me changer.
En 2011, la population du quartier ethnique juif de Montréal est composée de 309 650 habitants. Ils sont en majeure partie d'origine européenne, asiatique, africaine, sud-américaine. Ils parlent en majeure partie anglais et d'autres l'hébreu et le yiddish, mais peu parlent le français.
Nous sommes allés dans le restaurant que la madame nous a proposé. Ce n'était pas la plus belle expérience vécue. La nourriture était froide et sec. Il a même dû la réchauffer au micro-ondes. Le serveur nous a proposé des mets totalement typiques. Il y avait des pâtes douteuses, du riz très sec et d'autres choses.
La politique multiculturelle de M. Trudeau a favorisé la formation de ghettos, car les gens venant d'ailleurs vont s'installer parmi les leurs, donc ils s'intègrent moins à la société québécoise. Notre quartier est 29e sur 33 quartiers, ce qui signifie qu'il a un taux de criminalité bas. Les graffitis sont la principale raison qui le place dans cette position, avec plus de 400 cas. Depuis 1991, le quartier juif a une baisse de natalité de 15%.
Les premiers Juifs à s'installer à Montréal sont venus en 1760.
When it's loud, I love it when it's big. 'Cause you can feel it in the crowd. Come on, bang them sticks.